I forgot the dishwasher was on when I started making my food. I'm putting a little bit of milk, just a little bit of milk in my meatloaf. And it's not really meatloaf. It's going to be a lot of meatloaves because I'm making snacks for myself. And in this bowl, you're going to see a pound of ground beef. You're going to see some mozzarella cheese, some mixed vegetables, and an egg, along with some milk that you just saw me do the milk. Now I'm going to put some of this seasoning in it, which is steakhouse seasoning. I love it. I love it. I love it. And for this one, I'm going to put a small amount of ketchup on the inside of my meatloaf. This one here on the inside. Just a little bit, boys and girls. And I shouldn't have did that, because guess why? The glove's not going to be able to go on my hand. And I just finished washing my hands. I don't know why I do that, but I do. I'm not sure if I mentioned onions, but I have a whole onion in there. That's my bowl right there. Let's stop the fight. We'll stop the fighting, boys and girls. I was going to say it a different way, but in my head, I hear it a different way. And the pan that I need to go in the oven is actually in the dishwasher. I see some of the egg that's not mixed up. That's why I'm going through it the way I am. I don't smell too much blessings in that pot there, boys and girls. I don't smell too much blessings going on up in there. That smells good. Woo! Garlic is everybody's friend, I hope anyway. I'm going to take some of these, just put them in the refrigerator, and when I need a snack, I'm going to have a snack, because I really want some potato chips, but I'm doing everything I can. I almost went to the store to get a bag of chips, so you know what I did? I went on the computer and I put my last dollar on a bill. You best believe I did, boys and girls. And I got $2 and some change lower in my interest, and I am over $50 less due next month towards the bill, because I paid 2 payments towards August bill today. So that makes you feel a little better. I love these little pans. I have my mixed vegetables in there. Now I didn't actually want to put it in over the height, because it's going to make a lot of greasy. Now I just have to wait for my pan to stop washing in the dishwasher. It was already clean, it's just that it was in the oven for a while, so I threw it in with the dishes. So they just have to sit for a few minutes, and while I wait for that to finish going through the cycle, I will be back. I hate honey. So I gotta make sure this doesn't taste like honey. Ooh, I hate honey. Ooh, I hate honey. Yay! It's done, boys and girls. Now you already know that's piping hot. Oh, wow. I didn't think he was ever gonna get done. I'm in my room on the computer working, boys and girls. You know I gotta eat. I'm gonna taste my food because I'm doing a listing. I don't want to forget what I'm doing. Oh, look how moist that is. Oh my goodness, look at that. My sauce is so good. Oh, I put in a little bit of Asian sauce inside of my sauce. You notice how dark it is, right? Mmm, mmm, oh, mmm, oh my goodness. Oh, I love beef, boys and girls. Y'all might notice I eat a lot of beef. This is absolutely, look at that. All my little vegetables. Mmm, 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 moist, mmm, mmm. Oh, just, just right, just right. Mmm, got that pop of flavor that I just love. Mmm, absolutely fantastic. Oh, mmm, 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 mmm. Oh, I have a. Oh my goodness, boys and girls. There is something special about cooking on your own damn stove. I cannot believe I made this damn food. This food is good. I have one sad thing to say though. It's about 7 now. I don't go to bed till about 5 a.m. I can't promise I'm gonna have any left over for tomorrow. This is absolutely delicious. I am so proud of myself. I fought really hard. I was gonna go to the store to get me a bag of chips. I was gonna go to the Chinese place to get me some chicken wings. And I keep saying to myself, no, because I have a bill I want to pay and I'm already paying early. So I didn't want to step into taking away, and then I say, I should have never, nah, sir. I shouldn't have, and I need to stay in control in order for me to get where I want to go. Plus, I got another plan that I'm working on. I can tell you what it is. It's compound interest, but I don't want to say the company that I want to invest in. But it's a place where everybody love to eat. So I say, you know what? I'm not sure if I will regain going back there to eat because I get nauseous sometimes when I eat. But I think it's time for me to do a small little investment into this company that seems like every time I drive by there, the damn drive-through is packed. So I said, honey, Mama 55, I'm pushing 56 in 2 months. I gotta get my nickels and dimes inside some of these things, boys and girls, because the way it looks now, I'm not sitting home waiting. Nah, not me. Not me. I have got to find a way to get my money to start rolling in. Yes, indeed. And this right here, you know what I would really like? You may think I sound like a weirdo, but it's okay if you say that. We still friends. I would really like one of those buses that you cook on to make my frugal meals. You want to know why? Because a lot of people have reminded me just by some of the keywords that I use that we still have a reason to cook with less and just fill up our belly and everything. So, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, mmm, 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 mmm.